Okay, since you think I'm either a dumbass or a liar, I took the rail. Here's my machine, you can see it. I took the rail off that side. Now, look. The thing is so stiff, it won't even slide on its own. Look at that. All the other rails would just slide right away. You'd have to make sure the thing was on there. Look at that. The thing won't even slide on its own. Look, I'm tapping it to get it to go up and down. Look. That is not a good fucking bearing. Now, I don't know why you think I'm a liar. You can feel it in there. You can feel it grabbing. So, I went ahead and ordered another one from Amazon since it was obvious that you guys weren't going to do crap. So, forget it. I'll never buy another damn thing from you guys.